पर्वरी गिरी वाठारात सुरू आशिल्ल्या फ्लायओव्हराच्या कामाक लागून कातरिल्ली झाडां योग्य पद्दतीन स्थलांतरीत करूंक नाशिल्ल्यान गोवा ग्रीन ब्रिगेडान तिडक उक्तायल्या। डॉक्टर ट्रीज ह्या कंपनीन झाडां स्थलांतरीत करतना योग्य नियम पाळूंक नाशिल्ल्यान झाडांचें लुकसाण जालां असो आरोप गोवा ग्रीन ब्रिगेडान केला। भविष्यात अशा तरेचे झाडांचें लुकसाण जावचें न्ही ह्या खातीर संबंधीत अधिकाऱ्यांनी खर कारवाय करची अशें एवर्टिनो मिरांडा हांणी सांगलां।
Brutally mutilated and murdered. This is mass murder killing. This is like a graveyard. If you see how they are treating this place, even if you see the banyan tree, they put gravel near the roots, so they don't care. For 3 months, as per the Ministry of Highways, Transport and Highways, they are supposed to treat these trees for 3 months before they put them in the ground. Without treating, without care, they have just brutal murder. You know, it pains us so much to see this murder, mass murder of trees. These are more than 200 plus rainforest trees, 200 years plus rainforest trees. So this company, which is supposed to be experts in translocating, but they have done butcher's job. This Dr. Tree, they were supposed to, save these trees. So pasaच्या टायमार नाल्ला बुडून पावता उदक सगळें. ही मोडा सगळी दिसतली. ऑलरेडी ट्रीज आर डेड, मरून गेले सगळे झाडां. आनी हे म्हणटा आमी केअर घेता आनी कितें करता, खंय केअर घेता. इवन एफिडेविट टू द हाय कोर्ट, दे फायल्ड एन एफिडेविट, डॉक्टर ट्रीज, वी आर टेकिंग केअर एंड दिस एंड दैट. व्हाट इज दिस नॉनसेंस? एब्सोल्युटली नो केअर. दिस इज केअरलेसनेस, mindless destruction of trees. We have lost already over 600 trees. And these 6 trees, just 6 trees, they charge 12 lakh rupees. I am doubtful even one tree of this translocation will survive, because this job has been done very badly.
Anything is done with trees, whether it is translocation or the cutting or something, that permit or the permission is issued by the forest department. Okay, in this case it is a tree officer who is also DCS, the deputy conservator of forest. So when this thing was considered, and we approached the High Court and requested them to not to cut all the trees, to explore other options, maybe try and save a few. And then we realized that the only option out was translocation. Then the DCF himself, in an order, said that we will translocate 5 trees under certain conditions. And at the same time, the AG says that we don't have the expertise to do so, which is why this particular company called Dr. Trees was brought in. An order has been passed not to touch it, and if at all it has to be touched, it will only be touched by Dr. Trees or whoever it was supposed to be, the specialist organization.
Yes.
How does the project manager of a road, the PWD team, or whoever is working on the road itself, take the call and say, I will chop this tree? And the supervisor, I have on record over here in a video saying very clearly that my project manager has told me to cut the tree.
Okay.
And now they are saying that Dr. Trees had done it, when Dr. Trees was not on the scene at that time at all. So it is negligence on the part of the forest department. It is taking matters into your own hands from other government authorities, and there is a complete disregard to the order of the High Court.